Chemet's METCOM MPX Series power inductors have a metal composite core that provides stable inductance over a wide temperature range and soft saturation at high current levels, making them ideal for high-frequency DC-to-DC converters, point-of-load regulators, and other high-power applications. MPX Series power inductors are available from 0.10 microhenries to 47 microhenries with a plus or minus 20% tolerance. RMS current is rated up to 35.4 amps with saturation current up to 53.0 amps, allowing the MPX series to support applications with high inrush current. The metal composite core also results in a shielded construction with low magnetic flux leakage for use in high-density designs, and it has low acoustic noise to reduce power supply hum. Chemet METCOM MPX series power inductors can operate at temperatures up to positive 155 degrees Celsius and are offered in case sizes from 5x5 by 2.0 millimeters to 8x8 by 4.0 millimeters.